Login failed on Stake app fix. You open the Stake app to check your latest trades or stock performance, but instead, you're hit with login failed. It's frustrating, but here's the surprising truth: this is a common issue, and it's usually very easy to fix. Let's start with the simplest fix: your internet connection. Stake needs a strong and stable connection to verify your login. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to reset your connection. Many login errors disappear after this step alone. Next, make sure your Stake app is up to date. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search for Stake, and tap Update if it's available. Older versions can stop working properly after system or security changes. If that doesn't work, manually enter your login credentials. Don't rely on autofill or saved passwords. Many users forget that their credentials may have changed or been mistyped during set. If you can't remember them, use the Forgot Password option to reset your details securely. Till stuck? Clear your app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, App Stake Storage, Clear Cache. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app to wipe out corrupted data. This is one of the most reliable fixes for persistent login problems. Also, turn off your VPN. Stake might restrict logins from masked or international IP addresses for security reasons. Disabling your VPN often lets you log in immediately. Finally, if all else fails, try logging in through Stake's website. If that doesn't work either, Stake servers may be temporarily down. Just wait and try again later. So when your Stake app says login failed, don't panic. The solution is simple: check your internet, update the app, re-enter your credentials, clear the cache, and turn off your VPN. In just a few minutes, you'll be back to trading and watching your portfolio grow without interruption.